Hey everyone, hope you're all having a nice day. Today, I want to go over how to find the best stocks for options trading, particularly swing trading options. So before I get further into the video, please hit the subscribe and also hit the bell notifications. I do live streams every so often. Make sure to like the video, that's the best thing you could do for me, and also comment. Give me your thoughts on my strategy and how I go about trading the markets. So let's get right into it. So the best way I find options trades for monthly swings, I usually go off of seasonality. So straight away, I go to a site like Unusual Whales. There's other sites you can use, but I like to zero in on a particular month. So for this example, I'm doing November. So if I was going to trade November, the way I would approach it before even entering a trade or even looking at a chart, I want to see some statistical edge, historical edge, and a good way to see that is by using seasonality. So in this case, I'm using AMD as an example. You can see it came up on my screener here on Unusual Whales. Again, this is a free site, completely free. You don't even have to make an account. I'm not sponsored by them. But you go onto this website, Unusual Whales, you go into the seasonality screener, and then you could put in a couple parameters, such as you want to track 10 years minimum, you want to look at stocks that are above $20 billion in market cap, and then you could sort by the median percentage gain, right? Because with options, I want to get a good enough gain in the stock price within a certain period so that my option will pay out and the risk to reward will make sense. So I'm looking at AMD, came up on my screener here, so 75% of the time it goes up in the month of November, and that's 12 out of 16 years. It's gone up, and it has a median percentage gain for the month of November at 10.8%. We can also look at the seasonality on stockcharts.com. This is more of a better visual aid. You could see, hold on. You can see here, for AMD, it's gone up 68% of the time in the month of November. You can also see the average return is right here, 10.2%. So with that, this is how I approach it using options. So really simple. I'm using a backtesting software called Thinkorswim On Demand. This was an actual trade that I did. You can look back into my videos for AMD back in November. I did actually use this strategy and trade with real money, but I'm just using this as an example today. So what I would do is I would come to my options chain and look at a 45 DTE contract or higher. I don't like to go anything below 45 days because theta decay is too much of a risk once you start going below that, in my opinion. If you have a higher risk tolerance, then go ahead and tweak the strategy to your own liking. But what I do is I come at 45 DTE, and then I like to go in between about 50 to 40 delta. So about 1 to 2 strikes out of the money. So in this case, I would go with like a 40 delta here for $455 per contract. And then I would come here and click send. And then, of course, this is looking at October 31st, end of the day, end of the trading session. So about the last 10 minutes of the trading session, I'd get into the trade. And then I would fast forward, hold this trade for 30 days. So November 30th, I would fast forward to on this backtesting software. So now you can see the duration is now at 15 days till expiration. And if you come down here, you'll see my percentage gain or loss. And this contract, this trade paid out 257%, which is about what I made on my real money. I think I made about 260%. Off the top of my head, it was around that average gain. So yeah, that's pretty much how I go ahead and find the best stocks that historically do well in a certain period of time. And then that's what I just showed you here on Thinkorswim is how I approach the market. Again, you can look at AMD for the month of November. Basically, all I'm doing is I'm trading the monthly candlesticks. So you can see AMD in the month of November 2023 went up 23.01%. Okay, so pretty much that's how I go ahead and tackle this. Again, this is like pretty simple information and it's completely free. The resources I showed, Unusual Whales, stockcharts.com, Thinkorswim I don't think is necessarily free. You have to open up an account and put money into it. But I like Thinkorswim because it has this backtesting platform, which is very, very powerful. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed. Please, again, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notifications, hit the like. That's the best thing you can do for me. I also have a Discord, completely free. You guys can sign up and join that. You just have to click on the link and join, and that's it. There's no paywall, nothing like that. So get in there. There's already plenty of people in the community, and I hope to see you guys in there soon. So thanks again, guys, and I hope you all have a nice day. Peace.